In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GPT-4o in Perplexity AI. Whether you're new to AI tools or simply looking to expand your skill set, this guide will walk you through each step. By the end of our session, you'll be proficient in navigating and utilizing this powerful AI platform with ease. Let's start by opening Perplexity AI. If you haven't encountered it before, Perplexity AI is an innovative AI tool that allows you to interact with a sophisticated language model to assist with inquiries or tasks you have at hand. Opening the platform is straightforward. You may access it via your preferred web browser. Simply type Perplexity AI into your search bar and navigate to the official website. Once you've got that open, the next thing you'll need to do is log into your account. If you already have an account, you can enter your credentials on the login page to access your personal dashboard. For those who might be new to Perplexity AI, no worries. Creating an account is a breeze. Just look for the option to register or sign up, provide the necessary details, and follow the prompts. It shouldn't take you more than a few minutes to set up. With your account active and ready, you'll want to ensure that your Perplexity AI account supports GPT-4o queries. Access to GPT-4o might depend on your account type or subscription plan, so it's vital to verify that this feature is available for you. If you encounter any difficulty, consider reaching out to the customer support team provided on the website for assistance. Now that you've confirmed GPT-4o queries are supported, let's move on to the exciting part. Typing your prompt or question in the chat box. This is where the magic happens. You could ask anything you need help with, from complex research questions to simple inquiries like cooking tips or travel advice. The chat box is located prominently on the interface for your convenience. Once you've entered your question or prompt, GPT-4o will do all the heavy lifting for you. It automatically generates answers based on the inputs you've provided. This happens almost instantaneously, showcasing the power and speed of AI in information processing. Finally, to make the most out of your interaction, feel free to ask follow-up questions if needed. This could be about clarifying the information received, exploring deeper insights, or even branching out into related topics of interest. The more you engage with GPT-4o, the more refined and tailored the responses you'll receive. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive understanding of how to leverage GPT-4o in Perplexity AI. With these steps under your belt, you're all set to explore vast amounts of information with just a few clicks and keystrokes. Keep practicing and you'll find this tool becoming an invaluable aid in your everyday activities and problem-solving efforts.